Hey, welcome to Farmer to Affiliate. I'm Cheryl. Well, actually, I'm Cheryl's much cooler AI twin because the real Cheryl is probably out on the farm doing the actual work right now, so she asked me to handle today's video. Before we get started, if you're looking for a simple way to learn affiliate marketing, I've put a free affiliate marketing masterclass in the description below. You can check that out anytime. Now, let me quickly tell you what this channel is all about. Here at Farmer to Affiliate, I help busy people build an email list and recurring monthly income in less than 60 minutes a day using simple YouTube content. So if you've ever thought, I'd love to build something online, but I don't have much time, or I don't want to spend all day glued to my computer, or maybe I'm not particularly tech savvy and all this online business stuff seems overwhelming, then you're in exactly the right place. On this channel, we're going to keep things simple. You'll learn how to create YouTube content that attracts the right audience, how to build an email list that you actually own, and how affiliate marketing can help you create recurring monthly commissions without needing to create your own products. No complicated systems, no endless busy work, no spending 10 hours a day trying to figure everything out. Just practical strategies that busy people can fit into real life. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And don't forget to grab the free affiliate marketing masterclass linked in the description below. It's a great place to get started. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.